Hey guys, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to switch to dark mode in your Atlassian account. So once you're inside your Atlassian account, guys, you want to simply click your profile on the upper right hand side and you will have theme. You click on that and you can quickly switch to dark mode. As you can see right here, I'm now in dark mode, and that's all you have to do. Now keep in mind that once you switch to dark mode in Atlassian here, it does not mean that it switch your apps to, for example, dark mode as well. So let's take, for example, Trello. I have Trello as an application here, and if I click and open up Trello, you will see that my Trello is still in the light mode, right? This does not mean that once I switch the Atlassian account to dark mode, it means that the apps are going to be in dark mode. Those apps are going to be still the same as they are before. So this is only affected in your Atlassian account. So if you ever want to switch your Atlassian account to dark mode, this is how you do it, by simply clicking your profile on the upper right hand side, go to Teams, and you can easily switch it from here. But that's it guys, very easy and very simple.